Well, question number one. The study conducted by the researchers was about the relationship between diet and milk glucose responses. And the most important finding of this study was the each person has an individual glucose response to different type of food. They also study the genetic composition of the intestinal microbiome, um, its response to change in the diet. And with this, they create an algorithm that helps to give a specific dietary recommendations for each person to maintain low glucose levels. I think that in the future dietary dietary plans um, will be guided by the system and will be specific for each person, um, which will help us improve the way we eat and transform our lifestyle into something better. Question number two. This statement is false. Since, since as I mentioned, researchers have shown that the response to glucose in food is specific to each person. For some, this product can raise their glucose levels, and for others, I can stay at normal levels. Question number two. In my opinion, this discovery will revolutionize the diet industry and will help people maintain healthy, healthy lifestyles by following diets that allow them to keep development of cardiovascular problems and metabolic disorders. Continue with the question number four. According to the author, the best diet for human is the vegan because the anatomy and psychology of human beings is basically that of a herbivore. So the psychological process that are needed to digest food are pushed to the limit, and this ends up uh, damaging the body marrow. It is also justified in the mistreatment by which some animals are subject for the process of production and distribution of meat. In my opinion, I believe that human beings have evolved to be able to eat meat. Um, it is an important part of oral diets. I also consider the point of view of the actor about the meat industry very extreme. Since I know that there are many companies that uh, care about giving definite treatment and timeless uh, deed to the animals that will be used for his menu. Okay, and finally, question number 5. I usually eat a plate of fruit and fiber in the morning before breakfast to help open my appetite and improve my digestion. Um, um, at lunch and dinner, I only drink water since juice have a high sugar content. I have adopted these habits because um, they help me improve my weight, um, make me feel healthy. It will be interesting to try a specific diet uh, that help me maintain my glucose levels within normal parameters. Since I consider that this will help me improve my lifestyle.